$567.49. I just bought Meta this morning. 5th time trading Meta on this channel, 4 previous wins. This channel documents every trade live so you can judge the system yourself. I build a trading system, I call it Momentum Swing Score. I know it works. This channel is my public proof. Every trade documented live from entry to exit. No editing history, no hidden losses, just the record. Watch me prove it and you will be the witness. Every entry, every exit and every result live and public. So quickly, let me share with you my proof record. 38 closed trades, 36 wins, 2 losses, 94.74% win rate. On Meta, 4 trades, 4 wins and 4.77% average return. This is the trade number 5. Everything is on this channel, educational content only, not financial advice. Please always do your own research. So Meta closed last Friday, $556. And my pre-entry video, I said whatever the price, gap up or gap down, I will get into Meta. Last week, Meta crashed 10% after earnings. Even though we know the revenue up 28%, their ad impression up 14%, ad prices up 12%. And we said in our pre-entry video, the business fundamentally is very strong. So the capex spending, it was doubled. So that's the reason investors got scared. But we said the market overreacting to Meta pricing. And technically, the stock closed pricing last Friday above my strong support level, which is $543. This is also give me extra comfort to get in the stock this morning. So here is the quick game plan. I just want to quickly touch base again. So my momentum swing score 70 out of 100. That means that stock has a 70% chance go higher, 70% go higher or go upward within the next day or next year. 4 times Meta cross already 70 on my system and 4 wins and seems like it 5th one on the way. As I said, I entered this morning stock $567.49. My first price target will be $603 because looks right now that is a resistance level and seems like the price is trying to get there. Let's see if it's going to be reversed from that point later on this afternoon. So I will be watching very closely. So my DCA level around $528. That means if the stock goes down, I will add more Meta shares to reduce my cost. And $500 to $508 range will be my exit point. But I always check technical indicators before I make that decision. So my risk and reward ratio for this stock almost 1 to 1. Is not my ideal. I prefer the 1 to 3, but my momentum swing score give me 70, and whenever I get the 70, which is my buy threshold, I always go get in the stock. Quick question for you. Meta crashed 10% last week. I just bought it. This is a right call or too risky? Please drop your answer below and I reply to every comments. So I already enter my purchase price to community tab, which is $567.49. Result video, the moment I close the trade, win or lost, always. And please subscribe to follow MetaTrade 5. So if you are interested and you are the witness and no hype here and no promises. So far, I do have 5 trades open. I have a 5 position. I just get into the Meta this morning. I have an Oracle, I have a Tesla, I have a BSX, Boston Scientific, and I have a Netflix. And as you can see that so far everything looks beautifully green and everything is all the stocks we pick right direction and is going upward. So thank you so much for watching and I will get back to you with the Meta update and see you next trade.